Here we are set up at Mount Hogan Treasure Chase 2018. The Camp A area, it's closest to the band and the dinner. Camp B, and I won't say a little visitor because he looks awfully big to me. That's a big fella. It doesn't open till 2 p.m. Very limited camping here, so at 11:30 we already have a queue coming in to wait in line. We're on the way. We're all queuing up for day one of competition. And we're all off. We'll go to the hunting grounds where we'll be issued the rules of the competition. And whenever you're tired, you can call it a day, but 5 o'clock everybody must report in.
Just passing through the treasure hunt site. Rules of the muster.
David Honak?
Yes.
Gary and Kerry?
Yep.
Julie and Russell?
Yep.
Colin?
This hunt are brand new horseshoe nails with a bit of leather attached.
You like round rock hard.
Before you're not allowed back out here. You can come and go, you can go back and have lunch, you can come back as long as you've reported by 5. When you come and report, bring your rubbish with you because there is a prize for most rubbish, and your gold, there's a prize for most gold, and any tokens you find. Fill in all your holes, please. Anyone found to leave any holes open will be kicked off, both Gilberton and Mount Hogan.
So, Heather's off on the hunt. She's one of the very first to set out. Good luck.
Very hard going, all this long grass.
Long grass, it's a bit hard going.
Kangaroos, termite mounds everywhere, cows, long grass. This is one tough competition. It's a tough competition. So far, I have 0 tokens, 0 gold. I've got a file, 2 horseshoes, numerous pieces of rusty old tin, broken glass. This one I like though. It looks like a horseshoe, but it has this joining it. This is the bottom of a cowboy boot. Garbage. I have 36 pieces in total here. 51 detectors competed, $140 per participant, includes entry fee, 3 nights camping, awards night with the camp oven meal. Detecting area was approximately 210 hectares. Treasure chase conducted over 2 days, 8:30 a.m., closing at 5 p.m. Total gold was 61.4 grams. Most by an individual, 9.4 grams. Total tokens, 7 out of 17 found. The 2018 tokens were horseshoe nails tied to a strip of leather. Most by one individual was 2. Total rubbish, 20.1 kilograms detected and collected. Most by an individual, 7.4 kilograms. On the right is my husband Graham, and there's the legend John Flyna. And right off the bat, he did live up to his reputation and find a nugget. Here at Happy Hour, our neighbor. That's a t-shirt you want to have. It says, "Right now I'd rather be treasure hunting." The end of day 2 and the end of the competition. We're gathering for a big bonfire. Look at that. And awards night, a dinner, a band, and a bar, of course.
Far away from you, California. That's a chance I'll have to take. All right. And there's 40 shades of green.
Of course, as children do. Talking to the legend here, hang on.
That's our tucker coming. That's the biggest camp oven we've ever seen. Took a couple people to lift it, yeah.
John has won a sleeping bag and headlamp.
Way to go, John! Well done.
I don't believe you, John.
Liz! Liz, where are you? Michael has won a car fridge.
This is a tough competition. Tall grass makes it tough to swing your detector. Hard ground makes for hard digging. It's a larger area to find a small number of tokens, 17 tokens in over 200 hectares. The treasure chase is conducted a few kilometers from Mount Hogan Station, Homestead, which is Etheridgeshire in North Queensland. It's a long way from pretty much everywhere. 470 kilometers from Cairns, 450 kilometers from Townsville. You must be fully self-sufficient. There is no power, no toilets, dam water only, no mobile phone or internet service. The chase is best suited for gold detectors. Little in the way of relics to be found, as the hunting ground is a cattle paddock. The majority of rubbish found is wire, horseshoes, pieces, and parts from farming equipment.